Today, we're tackling a common issue many of you have been facing, the just-in-time JIT Debugger error. Stick around, because we've got a detailed fix for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, hit the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it up. Navigate to the System and Security section, click on System and click on Advanced System Settings. Here, under the Advanced tab, head to Settings under Performance. Next, find Data Execution Prevention. Turn on DEP for external Windows programs and services only. Don't forget to apply the changes. Click OK and restart your PC to make sure the changes take effect. Now, let's tackle the issue through the Registry Editor. In the search menu, type Registry Editor. Once you're in, navigate to HKey Local Machine then Software and find Microsoft. Under Microsoft, look for .NETFramework. Here, delete JIT Manager Debugger. If you spot it, right-click and hit Delete. If you don't have one, no worries, just move on. Now, head back to Microsoft. Click on Windows NT in current version. This time, find a debug and delete the debugger entry. If you don't have one, no worries, just move on. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fix the just-in-time JIT debugger error. Restart your system once more to ensure all changes take effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.